Democracy is a fragile experiment, parallels between past and present. Introduction. Democracy is often taken for granted, but it requires constant attention and care. History shows that democracy is fragile. The failure of the Weimar Republic and the rise of National Socialism warn us. Social crises, propaganda, and authoritarian movements can destroy democracy. Today we face great challenges. Global problems, social divisions, and new media change our world. Therefore, we must understand democracy as a living and vulnerable experiment. It needs constant commitment and care. Historical overview. Democracy is an experiment with mixed success. The long history. Political systems have developed over centuries. Kings and rulers ruled for a long time. Only with the Enlightenment did new ideas arise: freedom, equality, and participation. These ideas form the foundation of democracy, but it was a long path to stable democracies. The Weimar Republic, an early experiment. After World War I, Germany tried a new democracy. The Weimar Republic offered many rights and freedoms, but society was deeply divided. War, poverty, and political extremes put pressure on democracy. Parties like the Nazi Party gained power through fear and propaganda. The experiment failed. National Socialism, the destruction of democracy. The Nazi regime completely destroyed democracy. Through propaganda, terror, and violence, it established a dictatorship. Minorities were persecuted and society was controlled. This shows how dangerous authoritarian systems are. Democracy after 1945, rebuilding and resilience. After World War II, Germany rebuilt democracy. Institutions like the Federal Constitutional Court now protect democracy. Still, democracy remains vulnerable. It needs constant care. The role of media and propaganda. Media is a double-edged sword. Media inform and connect people, but they can also manipulate. Under the Nazis, media was used for propaganda. Digital media today. Today, there are many sources of information. Social networks spread news quickly, but false information and hate also spread fast. Media literacy is more important than ever. Education is the key to democracy. Political education. To understand democracy, people need education. Political education teaches knowledge and values. It strengthens critical thinking. Teaching history. History shows what happens when democracy fails. Especially National Socialism warns us to stay vigilant. Social resilience and participation. Social justice inequality divides societies. Democracy needs social integration and justice. Engagement and civil society. People who actively engage protect democracy. Independent organizations are important. International dimensions. Democracy worldwide. Democracy is now globally connected. It competes with authoritarian systems. Global problems require cooperation. Influence of authoritarian states. Some regimes try to weaken democracies. They use disinformation and economic pressure. Parallels and lessons for today. Economic crises create uncertainty. This encourages radicalization. Populists simplify and divide. Media manipulation makes democratic debates harder. Education and critical thinking protect democracy. Conclusion. Democracy is not a finished product. It is an ongoing experiment. It needs constant care, education, and engagement. Only then can democracy survive and grow.